Hello, my lovelies. I've decided that I wanted to start making rant-vent videos. This is what they'll look like. Might make changes in the future. So then I'll share more about myself. Before we get to there, though, if you are someone who supports stuff like zoophilia, pedophilia, racism, homophobia, etc., I'm asking to please kindly DNI, as I am someone who doesn't support or interact with any sort of that content. Anyways, hi! My name is Elliot, though feel free to call me by the names listed in my bio. Here are some characters you might expect when I do these kinds of videos. My interests. My fictionkins. My fab music artists. Also, what do I call you guys? There's so many cute names for y'all that I just can't choose, so I made a poll so you guys can choose. I don't post a lot due to school and lack of motivation, but I try my best to entertain you guys.
Elliot out!